Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through resetting your Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender. Resetting is essential for troubleshooting connectivity problems, clearing old settings, or preparing the device for a fresh setup. It's a quick and easy process that restores the extender to factory defaults. Let's begin. Resetting the Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, clear previous settings, or prepare it for a new setup. It restores the device to factory defaults, ensuring optimal performance and allowing you to reconfigure it for your current network needs. Next, plug the Devolo 9791 into a power outlet near your router. Make sure it's within range of your existing Wi-Fi signal for the initial setup. The LED light on the front will start blinking, indicating that it's ready for configuration. First, locate the reset button on your Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender. The reset button is usually found on the side or bottom of the device. It's a small, recessed button that you'll need to press with a paperclip or a similar tool. Next, take a paperclip or a similar tool and press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Make sure to hold it down firmly until the LED lights on the extender start blinking. This indicates that the reset process has begun. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to reconfigure the Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender. You can do this using the WPS method or by accessing the setup page through a web browser. Check out our other videos for detailed guides on these methods. Finally, test the extender by connecting your devices to the new extended network. Ensure that the Wi-Fi signal is strong and reliable in the areas where you need it. You can also use the Devolo app to monitor and manage your network. If you face any issues or need assistance, our team of skilled professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for prompt and reliable solutions to your queries. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Devolo 9791 Wi-Fi extender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.